Hi, I'm Rob Cram, and today we're taking a look at After Reset, a sci-fi post-apocalyptic role-playing game from LA-based Black Cloud Studios. Now, the game was currently put on Kickstarter after a 900,000 budget. Unfortunately, that failed, but since then, the development team have managed to get some funding and have now put a secondary Kickstarter campaign up, which currently only requires $5,000 more to make the game a reality. So they've released a tech demo, which you may have seen the video, and now gamers can actually try it themselves. This is of a very early build, just giving you an idea of the sort of environmental details and some of the atmosphere. So we're having a look at it here, just to give you an idea of the kind of expansive nature of the game. Well, it certainly has a lot of atmosphere, that's for sure. And you've got this character here which you can change his appearance. There will be obviously other characters in the game as well. I like this suit here. You can toggle the helmet on and off. You can even do a hail animation. So controlling the game, or in this particular demo, you can use a traditional sort of click and the character will move by either running or walking, or you can use the keyboard and move wherever you like. So you can see this kind of expansive world filled with objects, barren and desolate, and just waiting to be filled with all sorts of critters that are after your juicy innards. I know, there's some people here. Unfortunately, you can't really interact with anything at the moment in this demo. As I said, it's just to show you off the kind of environmental aspects, but the game has been sort of inspired by the early Fallout games and Baldur's Gate. So if you're a fan of those games, then this is definitely in that kind of area. So you can sort of pan the camera to see how open this world is. The game will have lots of different branches in terms of storyline. So it's a non-linear story. There's lots of other hardcore mechanics as well, to please the hardcore gamers who like a bit of a challenge. But if you've seen the video which sort of gives an overview of the story, you can tell that the game has got a lot of depth in terms of its storyline and characters. And you know, having seen that video, having seen this tech demo being played by Black Cloud, and now finally getting to actually play it, the game looks promising. I mean, on my setup here, HD 7970 i5 processor, this particular build isn't moving as smoothly as it could do, but I have got it on the maximum ultra setting. But I'm sure any release build will be much improved in that regard. So what can I say other than this is an exciting project, and it's definitely worth backing if you got a few dollars to spare over at Kickstarter. And the game should be released at the end of this year on PC and Mac and Linux. I'm not sure if Black Cloud will be developing a console version at some point, but that would be pretty cool if they did. So, you know, you've got this character running across the desert. And there you get to see that kind of expansive wasteland. So I think that gives you a good idea of the kind of direction that Black Cloud are aiming for with their game, and it's really good to be able to actually see it running firsthand. I mean, I think they've spent a lot on this game and getting it the look and feel and the lore correct, and I think this is definitely. It was definitely piqued my interest. Obviously, this is a bit rough around the edges, this tech demo, but this is their Kickstarter demo. And I have good faith that Black Cloud will be able to accomplish what they're aiming for here. Okay, if you want to try it out, check out the links provided. And as I said, support the developers. Pledge some money down at Kickstarter, and let's make this game a reality, because it certainly deserves it. Okay, I'm Rob Cram. Thanks for watching.